Hi everyone, here I am, Babsworthy and Louie, and we're at the southern end of Tanbark Road here in St. David's. This is point number 15 on the Voices of Freedom Black History walking tour. And this was a community of farms, and it's notable because it was a black community. And they had small farms all the way out here, and it survived the burning of St. David's after the War of 1812. And there was also a Baptist church right here on the site. And after the war, the small farms gradually became bought out and became one large farm, the Halliwell farm. And there was a black family though that actually lived and farmed here well into the 20th century, the Graham family. So this is it, the end of the tour. It's a little known piece of St. David's history. It's a nice way to end the tour. Do dive deeper into the site, the Voices of Freedom site, and we hope you've enjoyed this wonderful insight to a history that still needs to be told. Thank you, everybody.